This is a short video to show you how to obtain data on preferred stock. Finding data on preferred stock is a little more difficult than it is for common stock, but this website, quantumonline.com, is an excellent source of preferred stock data. You have to register to get the data, but the registration is free and very simple, and it's well worth the time if you're thinking about buying preferred stock. In order to find data on preferred stock, you first enter the name of the common stock. Let's say that we wanted to find data on Bank of America. So we enter BAC, and that will take us to a page about the Bank of America Corporation. And below this information box is the link that says Find All Related Securities for BAC. Click on that link, and that will take you to a page that gives you all the preferred stock that was ever issued by Bank of America. Quite a long list. Most of this, as you can see, is grayed out, which means that these stocks are no longer traded and are obsolete. But we will pick one that is currently trading. Let's pick BAC-J, which is Bank of America 7.25% depository shares, non-cumulative preferred stock, Series J. Quite a mouthful. So if we click on BAC-J, that will take us to a page that describes the details of this Series J preferred stock. The first box gives you some information on the preferred stock, and this information is summarized below. The amount of dividend is $1.81 per year, and see here that it's paid 4 times a year, so it's paid quarterly. Now, $1.81 at the issue price of $25 equates to 7.25%. This is a very important box here. It says maturity date is none, which means that this never matures. However, the call date is November 1st, 2012, which is already passed. This means that this preferred is callable at the discretion of Bank of America. This means that Bank of America can buy this stock from you for $25 at any time after November 2012. So if you buy the stock now, it can be redeemed for $25 by Bank of America. Bank of America may not redeem it, but it may, at its discretion, do that at any time. This box gives you the investment grade for the stock, which is B1 by Moody's, and something about the tax rate. Now, if you look at the New York Stock Exchange chart, that'll bring up data on the preferred. As you can see, the symbol is BAC-PRJ, which is Bank of America, BAC, preferred PR in the Series J. So that's how the symbols usually work. And last week, this sold for $25.77. It's a little more than $25, which is a little bit surprising. However, 7.25% is such an excellent yield. People are willing to take the chance of paying 77% more, even though Bank of America could buy it for $25. Now, this shows you also the yearly price that this preferred stock has undergone. And if you look at the scales, $24 to about $26. So it doesn't have a lot of variations, not near as much as the common stock. But it does fluctuate some depending on supply and demand. So I hope this has been useful. And if you ever want to buy preferred stock, then please go to quantumonline.com, and you can obtain all the information you may need, or look at my website, superchargeretirementIncome.com, and that will also give you some portfolios that you might be interested in that have preferred stock or ETFs and closed-end funds about preferred stocks that you might be interested in. Thanks for listening.